Now, there's three reasons you click this link. Number one is you didn't want to do Hour of Code, and that's okay. You can do Hot Dogs in Space. This is a tutorial I want you to work through. There's a long article I want you to read. And yeah, it's a little bit of work, but it's worthwhile. And the third reason you click this is because you just want to get some XP and for work that you're not doing. The third choice is really a bad one. So if you want to do Hour of Code, head back over there. If you want to do Hot Dogs in Space, this will be available for the rest of the week. Hour of Code is only today. There you go. There's your only warning. Only today. One day only. If you want to code, this is your day. Now, for those of you who want to learn more about Hot Dogs in Space and Nina's Big Adventure, finish this video and then, and only then, click this link. Now, this is a long article about her design process. And that's Nina. She's in Singapore. And I want you to read the whole thing, replicate her work, go through this tutorial, replicate it. You're not necessarily going to create this picture, but you are going to learn about her creative process, and I want you to use these colors. And I want you to read about why she chose them. These are color harmonies right here. And I'll let you discover what color harmony this is. I want you to begin using color harmonies. We're going to talk more about this. Now, this goes on, and like I said, I want you to do the tutorial. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this, but I want to show you this because this is one of those small world stories. I went ahead and clicked the link, and this is slightly different because, it's an interview. But it's got virtually the same information. But then as I read through this and got down to the bottom, I didn't click the links on the other one. I went ahead and said, hey, let's see Nina's work on Behance. And it's actually pronounced Behance, but I always say Behance. And here's a bunch of her stuff, including some more hot dogs. And then I saw this and I went, wait a minute, I've read this. Is this that story? And I click this. I don't want you reading this in class. You can read it between classes at home. But this is a very cool story about Tokyo. Notice that big claw grabbing this unit? This is a very interesting building. And it's a real interesting story. And look right there. There's Nina in the window. The picture was taken outside. There she is from the inside. Pretty amazing. And I have told people about this article, not because of Nina, not because of the building, but because of the story in here about at night, the buzz of drones in downtown Tokyo. Drones are delivering packages outside on people's porches and on people's balconies in these high-rises. This is what's coming to America. We're behind the times as far as drones go. All right, so there's my little story about Nina's Big Adventure and the very small world we live in when quests about hot dogs in space can connect to drones in Tokyo. Pretty cool.